You meet me in a forum and I will invite everybody interested. You state your case why you are against my country acquiring submarines. Pero sinasadya nila yan. Kasi ang Amerikano ayaw sa akin. Ngayon sa newspaper, butit na lang pag-usapan, we have been warned not to buy submarines from Russia. Kaya ang sagot ko sa kanila ganito, you meet me in a forum and I will invite everybody interested. You state your case why you are against my country acquiring submarines. Give me the reason why and make it public. You want us to remain backwards? Ang Vietnam may 7, Malaysia has 2, Indonesia has about 8. Tayo lang ang wala. Hindi naman ninyo binibigyan kami. You sold us used NATO helicopters, refurbished. Just like an American transaction, nakikialam yung mga brokers ninyo. You sold us 6 helicopters. 1 or 2 or 3 crashed already, killing the last one, all the crew members. Is that the way how you treat an ally and you want us to stay with you for all time? Bright man kayo. Nandiyan yung mga Harvard na niya. Think about it. Why did you not stop the other countries, the Asia? Bakit kami pinipigilan ninyo? There's a newspaper in bulletin. You are warning us. Who are you to warn us? Pinagbili na nga siya, nadala na nga. Kayo ang magbigay ng submarino, mag-i-implode yun. What do I say mag-implode? Doon sa manggaling ang putok sa loob. Just like the helicopters you sold us. Did you investigate it that 2 or 3 of them crashed already? The latest was in Lipa. Kaka-take off lang, bumagsak, pumutok. Galing sa inyo nyo, refurbished NATO helicopter. Tapos, no, I'm not your enemy. I'm protecting my soldiers and police. Diyan tayo mag-away on that principle that what's the problem about acquiring submarines? We are not using against you, neither can we use against China or anybody else because we are underarmed. Nakatingin ako sa TV kasi gusto kong emphasize sa mga Amerikano, may mga CIA ngayon. Ang balita pa gusto niya akong patayin. Go ahead. Be my guest. After all, this country will remain the way it is if you get all the leaders. Kaya pag pumutok yung helicopter ko dyan, sila yan. They are the one interested to, ayaw nila ito, ayaw nila yan. Buot, butang yan. Wala naman binibigay sa atin. At mind you, lahat ng kinukuha natin sa kanila, hindi for free yan. Bayad yan. Ang Korea, pati Japan, ang nagbibigay ng libre. Gratis talaga. And China, and Russia. To this, bigyan mo akong scotch para mag-init ako. No? To this day, ang China or Russia never ask us even for a paper clip. Wala siyang sinabi na about the US-Philippine Sea. Ako pa yung nagalit eh. You know, when you create an artificial island, I think that it would be Sabi ko sa China, yung sabi niya, Filipinos go out on. You cannot create islands there and claim this. That is not an island. Artificial islands are not are prohibited in the Middle East. Yan nga ang rule dyan. Just because we are friends, huwag mo na kaming Filipinos, go out there, or that is your responsibility if anything will happen. Alam naman, you know very well that we will not attack anybody there. And we are a claimant of the group of islands. And we are not, I told you, we are not prepared to go to war with you, so why you'd have to say those nasty words? There's no need for that. We are your friend. America, because of Trump, he's so good to me. I will ask them, Mr. President, what's wrong if I get to see him? He's been inviting me to go to America. America has a hydra. Dito, si Obama, insultuhin ka, dalhin ka doon sa ICC para kang kriminal. Yun, with the Western EU, complete the sentence for me. Bright kayo dyan, mga bugo. So maniwala ka dyan sa EU. Threatening us with trade sanctions. Go ahead. But we will place it in our heart someday. You criticize in the year 1912 to 1917, you started Morocco's First World War. Kayo dyan sa European ang nagpatayan. 15 million Europeans died. Ngayon pumunta kayo dito, mag-criticize kayo sa mga kriminal without even the specification. 4,000 dead. You're always guessing. Basta may nakita patay dyan, extrajudicial killing. And why publish only 4,000? Who are they? Who are they? May CIA ba dito? Yung intelligence, may nakita kayo? Sampalin kita dyan ngayon. Baliktarin mo. Sino yung mga biktima nila? Historically, dito sa Davao and rest of all the Philippines. Yung katapusan yung ombudsman, prosecutor Buntis. Pero sa awa ng Diyos, yung nagpatay sa kanya, patay na rin, ha? Tabla-tabla lang. Pati yung nag-rape dito na dalaga dyan sa pupuntang Toril, about 5 weeks ago, patay na rin. Sabay-sabay na tayo sa langit dito. At bakit gano'n? Sinong gustong puntang langit? Wala. Kasi lahat kayong makakasalanan. Lahat dito may racket talaga. At one time in your life, may racket kayo. Sigurado yan. Women, ayaw ko bastusin nyo. Sabihin mo, sujunit naman. May sekreto ako na sabihin sa inyo. Kayong lahat, guilty. So that's really the... Now let's go to governance. I appreciate what India is doing, even to galvanize the Filipino people. Tignan ninyo ang sitwasyon. I would like to be very, very, very frank with you. Philippines still ruled by money. Every political groupings, meron talagang, hindi ko na pa, there's the shipping magnate, there's the enterprising, lahat. Alam na ninyo ko na sabihin, baka, basta yung traditional, no?